So when you're playing Minesweep, if you don't understand what the numbers mean how many squares adjacent to that current square have a mine in them. So what are you talking about? Let's go with this square right here, this I-13. Somewhere in an adjacent cell to this I-13, oops, sorry about that. So in an adjacent cell, in one of those cells is a mine. Obviously, by default, we know it's going to be that one. But let's look at this number here. So what that 2 is saying, in one of these adjacent cells, actually in 2 of these adjacent cells, sorry about that, there are mines. So you got to do logic and reasoning to try to figure out which of these 2 has a mine in it and which one doesn't. Which of these 2 has a mine in it and this one doesn't. Well, based on this 3, I know that these have a mine and this one has a mine. So I need to figure out which other one of these has a mine. Which other one of these has a mine? This one's referring to that. Could it be this cell? These 2? Those 2? Probably. So I want to avoid clicking those orange cells. That's how you play around with Minesweep. When you're done playing with the Minesweep, if you want to try it again, you just go over here to SheetSweeper, New Game, and you get a new game. So again, like it says in the directions below, you guess. I'm going to click spacebar, guess. Nothing opened up. Ooh, I got one in that area. Let's go somewhere else. I'm going to try that one. Things open up. Now I can actually start looking around and guessing at where they are. Again, I can start looking around and guessing where they are. I'm going to guess based on logic that these 2 have mines in them, so I'm going to avoid them. That one, this one could be referring to it. This one could be referring to it. So I'm going to assume those 2 have mines. I'm going to leave it alone. Up here, it's going to be this one has a mine. So I'm going to leave it alone. This one should be safe. So I'm going to hit the space bar and press enter. And it was safe. So again, play around with Minesweeper when you're done. After you can get down to you only have 6 or 7 squares, take a screenshot of it, add it to the assignment in Google Classroom, and let me know how you did.